Hello students, welcome back to e-learning. Today we are going to learn singular and plural noun. In previous session we have learned singular and plural noun and some rules with examples. Let us revise. What is a singular noun? A noun which one in number is called singular noun. A girl and a book are singular noun. What is a plural noun? The nouns which are more than one in number is called plural noun. Girls and books are plural noun because they are more than one in number. Rules for changing from singular to plural. In previous session, we have learnt some rules for changing from singular to plural. Rule 1. To change the nouns from singular to plural, we normally add the letter S at the end of the word. For examples, book, books, pen, pens. Rule number 2. Nouns that end with the letter S, SS, SH, CH and X can be made plural by adding ES at the end. Examples, box, boxes, batch, batches. Rule number 3. Nouns that end with the letter Y can be made plural by changing Y to IES to make it plural. For examples, family, families, cherry, cherries. Let us learn rule number 4. When the noun has a vowel A, E, I, O, U before it ends with the letter Y, then just add S to it to make it plural. Let us learn through examples. First example, key, keys. Here the word key ends with the letter Y. Before that there is a letter E which is a vowel sound. So to make it plural we do not drop the letter Y but simply add the letter S at the end. Key, keys. Boy, boys. Rule number 5. When a noun ends with O, then ES is added to it to make it plural. Let us see some examples. Tomato, tomatoes. Here the word tomato ends with the letter O. So to make it into its plural form, tomatoes, we add ES at the end. Tomato, tomatoes. Similarly, mango, mangoes. Rule number 6. When a noun ends with F or FE, then F or FE is changed into V and ES is added. Let us learn some examples. Singular, plural. First example, wife, wives. Here the word wife ends with the letter FE. So to make it into plural form, we have to remove the letters FE with VES. Wife, wives. Second example, leaf, leaves. Here the word leaf ends with the letter F. So to make it into plural form, we drop the letter F and add VES at the end. Leaf, leaves. Similarly, life, lives, thief, thieves, knife, knives. Children, there are few exceptions in which word changes differently. Let us see some examples. Mouse, mice, foot, feet, ox, oxen, child, children, woman, women. I hope you understood singular and plural noun with some rules and examples. Here we have some exercise. Change the nouns into their plural forms in the sentences below. 1. The sparrow sat on the puppy. Answer. The sparrows sat on the puppies. 2. They looked at the church near the tree. Answer. They looked at the churches near the trees. 3. I put my book on the shelf. Answer. I put my books on the shelves. 4. The baby wanted to eat the crispy fry. Answer. The babies wanted to eat the crispy fries. 5. The cat played with the scarf under the chair. Answer. The cats played with the scarves under the chairs. 6. I will put the dish in the box. Answer. I will put the dishes in the boxes. I hope you enjoyed this session. Thank you.